Welcome back to TEMU. Yes, in this video I am going to teach you how you can place the code that the K-Hub sent you is your TEMU application. Here we can find it appears once we start the categories. Okay, we can see start categories. Here we can see that get all this, but we are going to press up here and we are going to verify if it does not ask for them, but also directly place the code. And up here is that you are going to place the code that you want to them, and I will actually be looking for it. Not forget that must verify the security here, and we see it will be ready. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to tell us what you thought of it again here in TEMU.